First, hello, my name is Mubarak. This is my channel. I'm doing today is how you are improve a Palmer car driving simulator. This is the first thing you gotta say. Speed meter will turn red if you go too fast. There's a lot of stuff right here to work. I'm working out with us. After that, you're gonna take a while to wait for it to come.
Make sure you click the subscribe button and the like button.
When you click that, you can choose those three things. And I want to do today is license connecting. Okay? And you can say replay lessons to get expert cones expressions. And you're gonna take a while too to wait for it. It said it's not gonna say wait for it, but you have to wait yourself until it comes ready. Like the phone, if you not touch it like 10 seconds, it's gonna turn off, right? Make sure you click the screen like it cannot turn off. Protect in the charger. I know. It's already in. Boy. It's not in. And this is the first thing you want to do is get the bell on, and you also have to click turn on the car, and which is you gonna get a lot of credit. You don't have to park the other one, right? Make sure you stop. You gotta say stop thing, and you gotta get 8 point to do that, which is really great. After that, you gotta look the both way like that. No, you gotta wait, boy. Like it, there's a car pass, and you wanna do is turn the car over to the specification. After that,